Good morning, YouTube. You're watching Swamp Fox Adventures. I'm Wally, and Raphael's about to get in the Montero, and we are gonna go to Simple and grab some breakfast and some coffee. Oh, coffee. I'm feeling much better.
Gone.
I'm doing a chicken quesadilla for breakfast this morning. Raphael's doing a
Salmon and cream cheese.
salmon cream cheese bagel. And then we go pick up the white Montero from Kevin's, and we're gonna drop the green one off. I'm actually gonna have him do the pulley tensioners. Laura's lost about a dozen cameras.
A dozen, if not more.
Yeah.
I think we found one in between Buck and St. Croix at some point. Remy did.
That was the exact same camera
It was the
model.
same model, just encrusted with coral. Oh.
Real Babes has lost over a dozen cameras of mine. It sucks. Here we are at KN Services. And there's the white Montero.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the hoses are starting to rot from age. Yeah.
Air conditioning.
Oh, we got good air conditioning. There's that wild horse herd again. There's that little foal. That mare looks preggers. Okay, y'all, Raph and Remy are flying out today. Luckily, they have a late flight. I think it's at almost 9 o'clock. So that means we got a little bit of time, and we're gonna run up into the mountains and do some fishing. There's a river up there, and it's pretty high up, and there's actually snook in it. It's fresh water, and we're gonna go see if we can nail some of these freshwater snook. Bye, Thunder. We'll see you soon. More horsey, horsey, horsies. I don't know, it looks bumpier than it did yesterday. There's someone out there trolling. There's the Muscovy ducks. And sometimes when we're really, really lucky, the ice cream man comes up here. Well, these ducks aren't the smartest. There they go, they got out of the way. Okay, y'all, we are actually gonna walk up to the first little waterfall before we do any fishing. The shoes. USGS. Bueno. And it looks like they are measuring the depth. As soon as we come around this corner, you'll see the first fall. It's pretty impressive. You can hear it. See the water, the spray? Here's the first set of falls, y'all. You can feel the force of it from here.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay, now we're gonna go grab some fishing gear, and we're gonna see if we can't catch a couple of fishies. Okay, Raphael and I are both fishing jigs today, and Real Babes is fishing bait. Okay, I've had a couple of little largemouth follow it in, and I had one decent sized, well, for up here, decent sized, maybe 15-inch snook, and he followed it in and he actually grabbed it, and of course, I went to set the hook and I jerked it away from him. And haven't had any activity since.
Just telling YouTube that, don't listen to him, it's a fish story.
A fish story, huh? Real Babe's caught a snag. But she's gonna unsnag it. Oh, is it on that underwater log?
Yeah.
Are you done fishing?
I'm just gonna check on you, probably. There's fish. They're biting on something, but nothing I got, so.
Okay. We got skunked fishing today.
Think for yourself, I caught a periwinkle.
Okay. But I didn't put a lot of effort into it. But y'all didn't really put much effort into it either.
No, but it was a beautiful, beautiful scenery, and it's nice to cast a reel here and there.
I'd actually like to put on some water shoes and fish this whole little river up and down. Because I love those little spunky freshwater snook in there. There's some of the feral jungle fowl. They're lucky Two Gun Tom isn't here. He was really itching to shoot a chicken. Here's some more.
Chicken.
Yeah. Oh, there's some little babies. Okay, y'all, we're gonna grab some pizza because we're experiencing. She is a pizza hater.
She's a pizza hater.
We had a pretty heavy wobble going on. We stopped, investigated. The front passenger side tire was starting to delam. So we came over to our local tire shop, the Gomera, and we're getting tires on it. At least two front ones. Okay, as we eat pizza, we're waiting on 2 new tires. Once those new tires get on, if the shimmy's gone, we're good. If not, we still got to do some work. Real Babe's the pizza hater. We've got a calzone. Raph Supreme isn't out, so I traded him a slice of mine. Raph finally got his pizza! Okay, the car is done. We're about to get in. Keep your fingers crossed that there's no more shimmying. Everything's good and golden. Thank you, baby. Okay, it was the tire, everything. The shimmy's gone. Still got to work on the alignment. But we're going to stop at this little kiosk because Raph wants to get a Acapulco before he blows town.
Yeah,
and I think they have them here. They usually do. Here. Let me see, double fister. What do you think?
Oh,
yeah, they're good, man. Here, let me show you real quick. This is basically plantains around like a spiced ground beef and then deep fried.
It's delicious.
We had a fairly full last day, even including some car work and new tires.
Yeah.
Do you feel special now that you got the whipped cream on it?
I don't know. I don't know if I could flip it upside down.
Doesn't look
okay, Nutella chunkiness. No spilling in the Montero.
Okay.
Here, I'll hold it so you can get a seatbelt on. The wobble is gone, so now we have air conditioning on the way to the airport tonight, which is going to be really awesome. And Raph got his acapulco.
Yeah, shit was good.
They are, man.
And
They're
I got
so
my
tasty.
pineapples. Y'all see that? Y'all see the pineapples and chicken? Yeah, baby. What's he got there? A gaff?
It looks like a
Whole saw.
pole saw. I don't know what for. That was unique.
That's unique.
I've never seen somebody fishing with a pole saw. The guy fishing off the bridge with the pole saw was a head scratcher at first, and then we figured it out. Somebody had snagged on those mangrove trees and he was sawing a branch off so they didn't lose the whole rig, and then they could just reel it in and untangle it. I might start carrying a pole saw.
I'll tell you where I came from.
We're over by the
We just got a call from Remy. He's been at the house doing schoolwork, and there's a big male iguana in the yard, and I think the dog's got it, but we're not sure yet.
Oh no, I think he wants to shoot it.
Oh.
I think he wants to shoot one more before we leave.
Yeah.
It's raining in the mountains. It just got cold and the wind kicked up. So we're probably gonna get some rain here ourselves, which means we don't have to water bananas. Hey! We just pulled up. I'm about to back in, and Kaza's bleeding, so that Iggy did get a hold of her. Hi, Kaza. Ooh. Okay, Kaza, you have a little blood on you. Let's go see this lizard. Where is it? Is it back here? Let's go. Oh my goodness. He is a big boy. It's on the other side. Hi, how are you? You got a full tail too. I know, Luna, you can't get to it. Full tail too. His lactic acid is built up. He's got a little blood on him. I'm gonna hand grab him. There.
Wally, the animal wrangler. He seems pretty damn docile.
Well, his lactic acid is built up
How can you tell that?
because he's so docile. Like he's been ran by the dogs. So.
You could shove him in a bag, Remy, and take him home.
He's what, 4.5 foot?
Yeah, I'd probably say 4.5 foot or so.
Camera. Okay, buddy. Hi, Thunder.
Thunder.
Real Babies is putting Thunder away. We're getting ready to get rolled to the airport in San Juan.
Breather. She's a mouth breather.
Real Babes has been wanting Luna out of the bedroom because she's been breathing too hard.
Through her mouth.
Are you going to be mean to Choco again?
What's that? I'm not mean to Choco, but Choco is not an inside dog. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Real Babes is mean to you, Choco. Choco, you're not listening. Go. We're going to the airport. But not you. You're a good boy, but you're going to stay. Yes, you are. We will see you soon, Mr. Wiggles. Choco, don't do it. You look like you were going to try to sneak in the car. Don't you do it. Don't even think about it, Choco. Fueling up so we have gas to get to the airport.
Shove it up to the bar, remember?
Okay, here we are at the airport, y'all. Yay! I think that rain makes her look a little cleaner.
Need a roof rack on this thing.
No, not on this
YouTube
one.
is having great. Hang out with Wally, check out his channel.
Remember, USDA for the sticker.
USDA, sticker my bag.
Yeah, so, or for that, the big bag, for the check bag.
Yeah!
Remy, don't be a teenager. Yeah!
Alright, love you guys.
Love y'all. We'll see y'all soon, hopefully.
Yeah.
We were gonna go grab pasta at La Buena Vida, but it's raining so hard, we had to change plans.
Do you want to do the lobster ceviche?
Sure. We decided to stop at W. I always get it. Real Big's the one with the
Spanish spicy crabs.
I am super full.
This one right here.
Oh, that is a sexy dress.
I don't know if I can pull it off or not, but I love the color of it. That's a honey champagne, like gemstones. It's really pretty.
Maybe we'll come look at it tomorrow if you want.
Yeah, I do want to.
Hi, doggy, doggy, dogs. Hi, Luna. How are you, girl? Hi, Choco. Hi, Wiggles. Hi. I know, I'm getting out. Hold on. We have some really, really good leftovers in here. And none of it's for the dogs. Who wants num-nums? Good girl, neighbor dog. Good girl, Kaza. Everyone's got their own food dish tonight. Good girls. Yeah, neighbor dog's happy. Wiggles is happy. Choco and Luna are pretty serious. Okay, we just made it home. I think we're gonna have a lazy day tomorrow. Not sure what we're gonna do, but whatever we do, y'all are coming with us. Love y'all. Good night, and we will see y'all tomorrow.